Ever wondered where your money is truly best served? Is it with a big name like Patriot Bank, or could it be thriving closer to home with a regional community bank? This isn't just about where you stash your cash, it's about the entire financial ecosystem you choose to be a part of. Today, we're diving deep into a head-to-head battle, Patriot Bank versus the often unsung heroes of regional community banking. By the end of this, you'll have a clearer picture of which financial institution aligns best with your needs, your values, and your financial future. Let's set the stage. In one corner, we have Patriot Bank, a commercial bank established in 1994, headquartered in Stamford, Connecticut. Patriot Bank operates as a public company, expanding its reach, and has recently been making moves to strengthen its leadership team and strategic plans. They're positioning themselves for growth, focusing on everything from high-net-worth clients to comprehensive business solutions. In the other corner, we have regional community banks. These are the institutions deeply embedded in their local economies. They might not have the same national footprint as a larger bank, but they pride themselves on their personalized service, understanding of local market conditions, and commitment to the communities they serve. So, who comes out on top in this financial showdown? The answer, as with most things in life, isn't a simple black and white. It depends on what you value most in a banking relationship. Let's start by looking at Patriot Bank. What makes them a compelling choice? As a larger, more established commercial bank, Patriot Bank often boasts a broader range of financial products and services. Think about it. A larger institution typically has the resources to invest heavily in cutting-edge technology, offering sophisticated online banking platforms, robust mobile apps, and a wider array of digital tools. This can be a huge advantage for individuals and businesses who prioritize convenience and seamless digital experiences. Need to transfer funds late at night? Access your statements on the go? Patriot Bank, like other commercial banks, is generally well equipped to handle these demands with their advanced digital infrastructure. Furthermore, Patriot Bank, being a publicly traded company, might offer a more diverse portfolio of investment products, potentially including access to brokers or financial advisors who can guide you through more complex investment strategies. For businesses, they might have more extensive lending capabilities for larger-scale projects or provide specialized financial solutions that require significant capital. Their recent expansion of their board and senior leadership team, with a focus on high-net-worth clients and fiduciaries, suggests a strategic move towards serving a more affluent clientele with tailored, sophisticated services. They also offer commercial savings accounts with bonus on initial deposits and long-term growth opportunities, as well as small business checking accounts with a decent number of free monthly transactions. However, the size and scope of a bank like Patriot can also come with a downside. While they offer competitive rates on certain products, such as their founder's CD or money market accounts for higher balances, the personalized touch might be less pronounced. Customer service, while efficient, could feel more transactional, with less direct access to decision-makers. You might find yourself navigating automated phone systems or interacting with different representatives each time you call. For some, this lack of personal connection can be a significant drawback. Now, let's turn our attention to regional community banks. Their biggest strength lies in their name, community. These banks are often deeply intertwined with the local fabric, making decisions with the community's well-being in mind. What does this translate to in practical terms? Firstly, personalized customer service is a hallmark of community banks. They often operate on a relationship banking model, where you can build a genuine rapport with your banker. This means they get to know you, your financial history, and your specific needs, whether you're an individual or a small business owner. This personal understanding can lead to more tailored advice, faster loan decisions, and greater flexibility, especially when it comes to lending. Imagine needing a business loan. Instead of being a number in a large system, a community bank might have a local loan officer who understands the nuances of your business and the local market, potentially streamlining the approval process and offering more flexible terms than a larger, more bureaucratic institution. Secondly, regional community banks often have a superior understanding of local market conditions. They live and breathe the local economy. This allows them to adjust their products and services to cater specifically to the needs of the area. For instance, a community bank in a farming region might specialize in agricultural loans, while one in a coastal town could offer unique financing for marine businesses. This responsiveness to local economic trends can be incredibly beneficial, as they are more likely to offer products and services that are genuinely relevant to your situation. Thirdly, community involvement is a core value for these banks. They often reinvest a significant portion of their profits back into the local community through sponsorships, donations to local charities, and support for community development projects. This means that by banking with a regional community bank, you're not just managing your money, you're also contributing to the economic health and vitality of your local area. This can be a powerful motivator for individuals and businesses who want their financial choices to reflect their commitment to their community. Finally, while not always universally lower, regional banks can sometimes offer more competitive fees and interest rates on certain products due to their leaner operational structures and focus on building long-term local relationships. They might have fewer hidden fees or more favorable rates on savings accounts or loans compared to some larger institutions. They are also often praised for their stability and resilience, as their roots in the local economy can make them more adaptable to local circumstances during times of economic instability. However, community banks also have their limitations. Their geographic reach is typically smaller, meaning fewer branches and ATMs if you travel frequently or need access to banking services outside of your immediate area. While many community banks are investing in digital tools, their online banking platforms and mobile apps might not be as sophisticated or feature-rich as those offered by larger banks like Patriot. For tech-savvy users who rely heavily on digital banking, this could be a point of friction. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.